Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add a transition effect in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To add a transition effect, load up your project and Resolve. Also make sure you have the video clips you want to use the transition on in the timeline in the edit tab at the bottom. If you want a transition between two clips, make sure they are matched together in the same channel. Use the magnet tool to ensure they are clipped together. Now head to the Effects tab on the left. If you don't see it, click on the Effects icon in the menu bar in the top left. It is the icon with the magic wand. In the Effects window, click on Video Transitions and then have a look for the one you want to use. Drag it to the video clip you want to use it on, and the white box will show where the transition will play. To adjust the settings for the transition, click on it and then go to the Inspector tab in the top right. You are now able to change things like the speed or duration of the transition and more. And so that is how to add a transition effect in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.